I think, what people do today mostly is do targeted analysis of a very limited subset of PFAS. So they can approach in, let's say, quantitative assays, something like 40 to 50 PFAS. And what we know today is that there are possibly 15,000 PFAS around, and we still have no idea about degradation processes in nature, which may generate more species. So what we have done, we do a lot of non-targeted analysis in addition to targeted quantitation to explore and discover a map of PFAS. And we look into a lot of different matrices, particularly soil and water, because there's what's happening with degradation. And what we found is there are lots of PFAS which are not known today, not even in large suspect lists of 5,000 compounds, because of these degradation processes. So I think PFAS is something that will keep us busy for the next 10 years, and we are at the moment pretty far away from getting a complete map. But our non-targeted analysis with the timsTOF enables us really to see a more, let's say, complete picture of PFAS in nature.